Good day everyone. Today I will demonstrate how to solve an ordinary differentiation equation using the Laplace transform method. With the given differential equation of y prime plus 2y is equals to 3 with the initial condition y 0 is equals to 1. So first, we take the Laplace transform of both sides of the equation. The Laplace transforms converts a differential equation into a time domain into an algebraic equation in the S domain, make it easier to solve. Using Laplace transform formulas is we're gonna use the formula. The Laplace transform of y prime is sys minus y0. The Laplace transform of y is big letter y s. And the Laplace transform of the constant 3 is 3 over s. Substituting this into the equation gives sys minus 1 plus 2ys is equals to 3 over s. Next, we combine like terms. S plus 2 ys minus 1 is equals to 3 over s. When we then isolate ys, so magiging ano na lang yan, s plus 2 ys is equals to 3 over s plus 1. Writing 1 as s over s. So, s plus 2 ys is equals to s plus 3 over s. Therefore, ys is equals to s plus 3 over s times s plus 2. Now we apply partial fraction decomposition. So it will be s plus 3 over s times s plus 2 is equals to a over s plus b over s plus 2. Solving for constant gives a is equals to 3 over 2 and b is equals to negative 1 over 2. So, y(s) is equals to 3 over 2 over s. So, minus mo yon sa 1 over 2 time over s plus 2. Next, we take the inverse Laplace transform. The inverse Laplace of 1 over s is 1. And the inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus a is e raised to negative at. Applying the inverse transform, magiging yt is equals to 3 over 2 minus 1 half e raised to negative 2t. Therefore, the final solution of the equation is yt is equals to 3 over 2 minus 1 and a half e raised to negative 2t. In summary, the Laplace transform simplifies solving differential equation by converting derivatives into algebraic expression, incorporating initial condition automatically, and allowing us to solve systematically before transforming back to the time domain. That's all. Thank you.